Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to use the Apps tool on Canva using your phone. So let us get started. To begin, open your Canva application and tap on the plus icon located below to create a new canvas. Choose the size that best suits your project needs. Now, click on the plus icon located on the left corner and select Apps. This is where the magic happens. Here, you have access to a variety of apps that you can seamlessly integrate into your Canva project. For example, let us say you want to use some fun emojis in your design. Simply click on the emoji app, tap open, and now you have the emoji app right in your tools section. You can use it anytime you want and easily add emojis to your project. Another useful app example is the YouTube app. Click on it, tap open, and you can directly search for YouTube videos to incorporate into your design. No need to switch to another app for searching. It's all right there within Canva. And the best part is, you can customize and edit these elements as you wish to make your design truly unique. So, explore the various apps available in Canva to enhance your editing experience and take your designs to the next level. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.